everyone, my name is Rachel Washburn and welcome to a video tutorial on using the YouTube app to watch videos. In today's video, I will provide a brief description of what YouTube is. Then I will provide step-by-step tutorials for searching for a video, skipping advertisements, pausing the video, using the rewind and fast-forward functions, turning on captions, using the full screen and exit full screen button, and adjusting volumes. There is a lot covered in this video, so if you would like a written document of all the content, tap on the link in the description below. Tapping on the link will bring you to the Tech Skills website created by Colorado State University's Center for Healthy Aging, where you can view the written guide as well as other video tutorials. Before we get into learning about YouTube, I wanted to clarify that YouTube did not sponsor this video or pay us money to make a video for their app. We make these videos to support older adults who are interested in learning more about using their smartphone or tablet. First, let's talk about YouTube. YouTube is a free video streaming platform created by Google. YouTube has a very diverse selection of videos ranging from tutorial videos such as this one, exercise classes, product reviews, religious services, educational content, gaming, travel, and more. Videos are often uploaded by individual creators. TV show episodes and movies created by large corporations are usually not free on YouTube, but you might see clips of episodes and movies on YouTube that you can watch for free. While watching a video, users can use fast forward, rewind, and pause play functions. Next, I will provide step-by-step instructions for downloading the YouTube app on your device. Starting on the home screen, we first need to tap on an app that allows us to download other apps. This app is called the App Store on iPhones and iPads. On Android phones, such as Samsung and Google Pixel phones, this is called Google Play. Upon opening the App Store or Google Play, tap on the search icon. On the App Store, the search icon is located at the bottom right corner. On Google Play, the search bar is located at the top of the screen. Next, tap on the search text box and type in the word YouTube using the keyboard. Then tap on search or enter at the bottom right corner of the keyboard. Next, locate the app for YouTube Watch, Listen, Stream. Adjacent to the YouTube app, tap on the download icon. The download icon may look different depending on your device. It may have a downward arrow with a cloud behind it or have a box that says Get or Download. If you do not see the YouTube app on your device, scroll down by dragging a finger from the bottom to the top of the screen. Once you have downloaded YouTube, the app will appear on your home screen. Now that we have downloaded the YouTube app, let's learn how to search for a video. First, on the home screen, tap on the YouTube app icon. If you do not see YouTube on the home screen, drag a finger horizontally to view different pages on the home screen. Next, tap on the search icon located at the top right corner of the screen. The search icon is usually characterized by a magnifying glass. Then, type in keywords of a video you are looking for. If you were looking for a specific video, you might add in the name of the channel that created the video to specify your search. If you do not have a specific video in mind and are just browsing, you can type in any keyword to find a video you might like. After typing in the keywords, tap on the search or enter key located at the bottom right corner of the keyboard. You can also tap on the search terms generated by YouTube above the keyboard as well. Then, tap on the video you would like to watch. You can scroll down vertically to view more videos by dragging a finger from the bottom to the top of the screen. Next, we will learn how to skip advertisements. Not every YouTube video has advertisements. Additionally, you might not be able to skip some advertisements. Usually, these ads are only about 5 to 10 seconds long though. So I just tapped on a video to watch, and an advertisement started playing. Usually, there will be a 5-second countdown before you can skip an ad. After the countdown is finished, you will be able to skip the ad by tapping on Skip, located at the bottom right corner of the video. In the next few sections, we will discuss features that are found while you are watching a YouTube video. First, let's go over how to pause and play a video. First, tap on the video to display the menu. Then, tap on the pause icon located in the middle. The pause icon is characterized by two vertical parallel lines. To continue playing the video, tap on the play button located in the middle of the video. The play button is characterized by a triangle. you will notice when you pause the video, the pause button is replaced by the play button, and vice versa. Next, let's learn how to use the rewind and fast forward function of videos. First, tap on the video, then hold down the red dot with your finger located at the bottom of the screen. Drag the red dot to the left to rewind. Drag the red dot to the right to fast forward. Once you find the point in the video you would like to watch, release your finger from the screen. Next, we will learn how to add closed captioning to videos. Some videos may not have captions available. Some videos have auto-generated captions by software developed by YouTube. On some videos, the channel creator will add captions on their own. So there can be some variety of the accuracy of captions on YouTube. First, tap on the video, then tap the closed captioning icon characterized by the letters CC to turn on the captions. The captions will appear at the bottom of the video. Next, we will take a look at using the full screen and exit full screen buttons. This is how we can increase or decrease the size of the video. First, tap on the video, then tap on the full screen icon located at the bottom right corner. This will rotate the orientation of the video by 90 degrees, so the video display will take up the entire screen. If you want to decrease the size of the video, tap on the video. Then tap on Exit Full Screen icon located at the bottom right corner. This will rotate the orientation back 90 degrees, so the video will only take up the top third of the screen, as seen in the previous slide. Finally, we will talk about how to adjust the volume of your device. The volume buttons are usually located on the left side of the device. On some phones, the volume button may be two separate buttons adjacent to each other to increase or decrease volume. On other phones, the button may be one long button for both actions. Regardless if it's one button or two buttons for volume, generally speaking, the button closest to the top of the device will increase the volume, whereas the button closest to the bottom of the device will decrease the volume. In this video, we covered a ton of features in the YouTube app. If you would like a written guide of all the content from this video, tap on the link in the description below. Tapping on the link will bring you to the Tech Skills website created by Colorado State University's Center for Healthy Aging. I hope this video was helpful for learning more about YouTube.